Yes, hello everyone, welcome to next Femite video tutorial. Now guys, for this episode I'm going to show you how to reach the boot manager or the boot option menu for this Lenovo laptop. In the description section of the video will be definitely showing you or giving you the model number. So presently I'm actually in the boot menu. So first, of course, you have to power down the laptop. Now once the laptop is powered down, then you will actually press the power button to turn it on, then continuously pressing down on the F12 key. Alright, so as you can see, we're back in the boot manager menu again. So once again guys, again this video show you how to go or enter into the boot option or boot menu for this Lenovo laptop. I think it is the one of the iPad 3 version, come with Intel Core Core i3, definitely in terms of processor. So once again guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please remember to click on the subscription button. Of course, leave your comments in the comment section of the video and share the video. So once again guys, thanks for viewing. Femitech is out of here.